Hey everyone, welcome back to our tech troubleshooting series. Today, we're diving into a frustrating issue that's been popping up on HP Laserjet printers. The error code 0XB30581B9, especially in 2025 models. If you're seeing this code on your screen, don't panic. It's often related to firmware glitches, connectivity problems, or outdated software. Let's break it down step by step so you can get your printer up and running quickly. First off, what does this error mean? Error code 0XB30581B9 typically signals a communication error between your printer and the computer, or it could point to a firmware update that's gone wrong. This is common in HP's newer Laserjet series, and it's usually fixable without calling in a professional. Let's start with the basics. Step 1. Turn off your printer, wait about 30 seconds, and then turn it back on. This simple restart can clear temporary glitches and resolve the error right away. If that doesn't work, move to step 2. Check all your connections. Ensure the USB cable or network connection is secure and try using a different port or cable if possible. Next, update your drivers. Head over to the HP website, search for your printer model, and download the latest drivers for your operating system. Install them and restart your computer. This often fixes compatibility issues. If you're still seeing the error, try resetting the printer to its factory settings. You'll find this option in the printer's menu, but remember, this will erase any custom settings, so back up if you can. In some cases, this error might stem from a hardware problem, like a faulty print head. If none of these steps help, it's time to contact HP support or visit a certified technician. They can diagnose any deeper issues. There you have it. Quick and easy ways to tackle HP Laserjet error code 0XB30581B9. I hope this saves you time and frustration. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay tech savvy.